Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on different sized collections. In this video, students will be able to differentiate between different collections according to their sizes. Example 1. Group A has 3 triangles. Group B has 1 triangle. Group C has 4 triangles. For the above 3 groups, place a tick in the box to show the largest group. So students would look at each group, they would count the objects in each group, and they would place a tick here because that is the largest group. Place a cross in the box to show the smallest group. In a similar manner, they would place a cross there because that's the smallest group. It only has one object. So that's just an example of one particular exercise. Example 2, put a tick in the square representing the largest group, put a cross in the square to show the smallest group, and put a dot in the squares showing equal groups. Example 3, number the groups from 1 to 4, where 1 is the largest group and 4 is the smallest group. Draw 3 groups with objects in them, where the groups are different sizes. Number the groups from 1 to 3, where 1 is the largest group and 3 is the smallest. Draw 4 groups with objects in them, where the groups are different sizes. Number the groups from 1 to 4, where 1 is the largest group and 4 is the smallest. Draw 5 groups with objects in them, where the groups are different sizes. Number the groups from 1 to 5, where 1 is the largest group and 5 is the smallest. And finally, draw 6 groups with objects in them, where the groups are different sizes. Number the groups from 1 to 6, where 1 is the largest group and 6 is the smallest. So this video has introduced students to groups which have different objects in them, and they've been asked to categorize the groups and pick which is the largest, which is the smallest, and in some cases to number them in order depending on how many objects in each group.